Well, y'all, it's another video, and we're back working on the suspension. Before, we changed the control arm that runs straight up, over, and back. Now, the one that we're going to be working on is going to come like this. Well, let me just get it and show you. Y'all bear with me for one-handed. Okay, this is what's called the lower lateral control arm. It's the same part for each side, and I'm going to show you how that runs underneath. And this is what's bad in there. Those bushings, just like the other ones, go bad, and then it just hooks in right here onto the other part. One bolt here, one bolt there, easy. And so let me show you. All right, so I'm just gonna put this down right here, and it runs at an angle like that, maybe a little bit more like that underneath. And so that's got to get changed out under there. It runs at an angle like that, but it's more also, it angles upward. So I guess you could say more like that compared to the wheel, like that. I'm not getting under there right now. That back be out of whack sometimes, but yeah, we're gonna try to get that done as soon as possible. And what also is what it's doing is the tire, you could tell when you're driving that it's doing this a little bit in the turns. And so it's time to get that done.